we go. Rock on. Let's see if we can open the second spring the easy way.
All right, everybody. Dennis is going to work on opening up this second spring. So we're going to see what happens with that. I think what I'm going to do is go up to the higher ground so you can get a better angle of what he's doing once he goes by here with that. So we believe the spring is right in here, okay? So we said, let's open up that second spring the easy way. And I'm like, I agree. So anyway, while he is doing this, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this video will be going up on Thursday at 7 o'clock. I could be wrong. I'm tired. It's been a very, very long day. We've accomplished quite a bit today, which was good. But so they may be going up on Thursday. So just so you guys know ahead of time. But right now for us, it is still the 19th. It is still Sunday, 2021. Okay, so just so you're aware of where we're at. And so a lot of the videos that I'll shoot tomorrow on Monday, I'll probably piecemeal them out, because by the time I plan on being back for my 5 o'clock live stream, or 8 o'clock live stream on Friday. So that is the game plan anyway. So anyway, really quickly, I just want to remind everybody again, my sale for the Legacy freeze-dried food is still going on. That will be going on until October 1st. As of October 1st, the prices of the Legacy freeze-dried foods will be increasing. So I am doing a sale called the Price Increase Sale. So right now, while the prices are where they're at before they go up, we are doing a sale. So if you go to my website, preppernurse1@yahoo.com, or listen to me, man, I'm like really tired, guys. Okay, preppernurse1.com. That's my website. If you go there, you will click on store. It will drop down and you will see Legacy Foods. And once you're in there and you're checking that out, decide to make a purchase. When you check out, 20% will come off automatically at checkout. Okay? 25-year shelf life, GMO free, gluten options available for people that need that. It is vegetarian. There are, like I said, beef and chicken options that you can buy that are available separately. And he's digging it up pretty good. So anyway, guys, that sale will be over as of the 1st, and as of the 1st of October, the prices of the Legacy food will be increased. So I wanted to try to make a, do a sale here for you guys before that happens. So definitely take advantage of that, okay? We're gonna walk in here in a second and see what it's looking like. So once again, the people that were critical in saying that Dennis doesn't know what he's doing, you can obviously see he knows what he's doing. Now, was he showing off a little bit the other day? Of course, but that's okay, you know? And I had somebody in there in the chat saying, oh, well, Ed doesn't like critical comments, and so he's probably going to delete the comments. Listen, anybody can say whatever they want. What you know is what you know. What you don't know and you're speculating is a whole different ball game. So until you know what's going on, talk is cheap, like I said. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Give him a minute here and see what he can figure out. Look at the size of this tree, guys. I'm gonna go up here so you can see it. And then, look at that. That's crazy big. Good size anyway. That's a good size tree. There's some seriously monstrous trees. That tree right there is not too shabby. Looking a little more mucky right in this area here. I think it looks more wet in this area right here as well, so. We're going to watch this for a couple more minutes, but the way this is looking, I bet it's right in this area here. Trying to find the other spring, but you can see how it's much more wet and muddy right in this area here. Oh, there we go. Man, this is so bizarre. Well, if we find it, I will let you guys know. Yeah, nothing yet. Okay guys, well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video for right now because I don't know how long it's going to take, so I don't want this to be a million miles long video. But anyway, remember, we are all in this together, that we are one race called the human race. That is important to remember. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day. Oh, I think I see water. I see water. Dennis! He can't. Alright, hold on a second, guys. Because I see water. Water! Water! Water, yeah. Alright, let's get him another scoop here. But anyway, I'm going to do the ending now, and we're going to watch this for a couple more scoops maybe. Remember, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Alright, also remember guys, STD, step thing and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you were trying to accomplish, whatever you were trying to do, you can do it. The only one that can stop you from reaching your goals is you. So stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. Everything comes together when you work methodically and make it happen. It was wet, guys, right here. So we're gonna wait and see one more scoop, and then I'm gonna jump off. Okay? Let's see if he can't hit it here in the next scoop. But it was wet right in this area, so I'm thinking that's where that spring is. Alright guys, see the moisture? It's right here. Actually I see like right, man, I think it's right there. Alright, one more. We gotta, this, I know this is a long video and I apologize, but it's right here, man. I think it's right there, I see water. is that spring? But you see there's moisture here, there's moisture there. Alright, one more scoop, guys, and then we're definitely going to end this video. If we find the water, we'll definitely let you know. Alright, I see the moisture's here. See where that's wet right there? I'm wondering if that's the spring. Because now it's not looking like it's over there. Let's see what, okay, I know I keep saying one more. And this is a long video, and I do apologize. But it'd be kind of cool if we hit the water while you guys are watching. Okay guys, you see that? Right in this area. That's where that spring's going to be. So he's got, like you see it there, it's all right in this area. That's where this spring is going to be. So, alright, well, we got the spot. He's just going to have to dig it down more. Alright, so we hit the water. It's going to be awesome. So, alright, I'm going to jump off. So we have hit the water. You see it. We're going to dig it out more. We're going to see what kind of flow we get with it, okay? I'll talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.